This is my carpenter's axe. I got it for free, but in a very bad shape. And I restored it, I reshaped the blade, I made a new handle for it, and now I'm using it quite heavily as I'm currently hewing beams with it for our new porch. It's a one beveled axe. This side is almost flat and only this side's got an angle to it. That way it's easier to hew along a log. It's not very heavy, but heavy enough to cut without using too much force. The weight of such a tool determines how fast you can swing it over a longer time without getting tired. As a musician, I would say it determines the beats per minute of its own rhythm. It's really sharp. I really enjoy working with such an old tool. I am getting better in using it, and the tool is becoming better and better too, through all the maintenance and me trying to constantly improve it. But what I don't yet have for it is a sheath, and that's what I'm gonna do right now, using my not so special leather tools, a pair of punch pliers, scissors, a push button, needle, some string, and of course a piece of leather. So if you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm releasing videos on a weekly basis now, so click like or leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about it. That all said, let's get to it.